Yesterday, I made a video that was talking about when women got the right to their own bank account and to have a credit card. And someone asked me to make one about when they finally outlawed marital rape in the United States, because it is different in other countries. And I said that I will do that one today. First of all, there is a word that you need to know. It's called coverture. This is the word you probably don't know, but should. And this is the reason why marital rape was perfectly fine or at least legal. Okay, so this is what it is. Coverture is a long-standing legal practice that is part of our colonial heritage. Though Spanish and French versions of coverture existed in the New World, United States coverture is based in English law. Coverture held that no female person had a legal identity. At birth, a female baby was covered by her father's identity, and then when she married, by her husband's. The husband and wife became one, and that was the husband. As a symbol of this subsuming of identity, women took the last names of their husband. They were coverts, covered women. Because they did not legally exist, women could not make contracts or be sued, so they could not own or work in business. Married women owned nothing, not even the clothes on their backs. They had no rights to their children, so that if a wife divorced or left a husband, she would not see her children again. Married women had no rights to their bodies. That meant that not only would a husband have a claim to any wages generated by his wife's labor or to the fruits of her body, her children, but he also had absolute right to sexual access. Within marriage, a wife's consent was implied, so under the law, all sexual related activity, including rape, was legitimate. His total mastery of this fellow human being stopped short, but just short of death. Of course, a man wasn't allowed to beat his wife to death, but he could beat her because that was his property. So each state literally had to pass laws outlawing marital rape. But it wasn't until 1993 that each state had actually made it against the law. And the fact that they actually had to make laws against this meant that they had to legislate males having some sense. Because before that, they could just do what they wanted to. Now, this was won through feminism. Feminists won the right for women to own their own bodies because before that, you belong to a man. So, for the people that are anti-feminist, understand that you own your own body because someone won it for you. Anyways, jump in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, share.